What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break and Now, getting ready for Black Diamond case break tonight. We got a couple more minis to fill. This one's for 4 spots in total. So we're live. Good luck. 1 to 10. We're good to go. And it is 9-12. Ryan down to Justin. Top 3 are winners after 4. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp. Timestamp is. Timestamp says 9-12. 9-12, last and final. We got Jarvis, Grant, and Doug taking home spots. Jarvis taking home 2. Grant and Doug taking home 1. Congrats, guys. 4th and final timestamp says 9-12, and 9-12 it is. So congrats again, Jarvis, Grant, Doug. I'll tag you to make your picks. We're going to be posting 2 more minis at least to fill this thing, and we'll see you then, guys. Thanks again.